Nestled in a cul-de-sac, just off Cedar Road, this well-maintained, transitional home, in the Great Bridge area of Chesapeake, is just what you've been looking for. Recently updated roof and carpeting. No HOA fees. Open floor plan, formal dining room, great room, with a gas-burning fireplace and cathedral ceilings, spacious kitchen with bar area, walk-in laundry room, and a massive family room over the garage, that could be used as an office, theater, bedroom or craft spot. The sprawling backyard is ideal for family cookouts, pets, playtime, gardening, or that pool you've been daydreaming about all spring. Easy access to I-64, shopping, dining, entertainment, schools, military installations and so much more.